In this video, I'll show you how to recover deleted messages on Messenger. If you're new to the channel, please go down below and hit that subscribe button, and once you have subscribed, please go and leave a like as well. I really do appreciate it. And please do watch this video right until the end so you know the full steps of recovering your Facebook messages. So without any further ado, let's go and jump into this. I'm on my phone, but this guy's also going to work on other devices as long as you've got access to Facebook. So that can work on the desktop version and say Android versions as well. So the first thing you want to do is simply go and open up Facebook, of course. We don't actually need to use the Messenger app for this guide, we just use Facebook. So go and open up Facebook or go to facebook.com. Then once you're here, you want to go to the bottom right where it says menu and go and click on there. So to get to this same stage on a desktop, all you want to do is click on that downwards arrow in the top right, and it's going to give you a list. And all you then want to do is look for settings and privacy. So go and click on settings, and then it's going to take you here about everything. Okay, so you'll simply want to scroll down, then it takes you here, and these are all your settings and everything you need to do on Facebook basically. So all you want to do is simply scroll down to where it goes and says your information. Now under here you've got a ton of options like activity log, access your information, download your information. Now that is what you want. You want to go and click download your information, so click here. Now do keep watching, so what we're going to go and do is download our old messages which were sent and we have received as well. So what you want to do is go and untick all of these, of course, except messages, just so there's less to sort of go through to find what we actually want. So go and untick all like so. There's quite a lot as you can see, but it will save a lot of time when we actually go and need to do it. So then we can go and continue to untick everything, which is probably easier actually, is to go and click select all, and then go and deselect all and just select messages. I should have done that in the first place. And then you want to scroll down, as you can see there are a ton here, so doing that's actually the easiest thing. And then you can go and select the date range, the format, and the media quality. Now for the format, I recommend doing HTML. I believe it's a bit easier to read than JSON, but you can try whichever. And then the date frame, that's up to you, and then the media quality, that's up to you as well. So then you want to go and click create file, and as you can see it's now circling, and it's going to go and be pending. This can be for minutes or hours depending on how much there is. And it also says a copy of your information is being created. Your copy may contain more than one file, and it's going to let you know once it's gone and been finished. So you can come back here later and then you can go and download the file once it's gone and finished being pending, and you can go and check it out. If you found this guide useful, please go down below and hit the subscribe button, leave a like for more. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.